Hello everyone, welcome to Learn and Development channel. In today's weekly tip, we are going to show you how to send a recurring email in Outlook using Power Automate. Imagine this: you have a reminder, a weekly report, or monthly updates that you need to send to the same people at the same time every single week or month. Power Automate can take care of that for you. No more manually sending the same emails over and over again. So let's get started. So our main goal is to automate recurring email in Outlook using Power Automate. So now click on the top left corner, App Launcher, then select Power Automate, or click on More Apps, then select Power Automate. Then click on Create, then select Scheduled Cloud Flow within the flows. Then let's give a name for this flow. Then let's run this flow. So you can choose a date, then I can choose also a time for this flow to start running. Then let's repeat it. If you wanted to repeat it once every month, or let's say week, every 1 week, you can choose the months, the days that you wanted to repeat. Let me choose month, then click on Create. Then I'll switch this. I prefer the old designer. Then click on, it's the same procedure. I'll click on new step, then look for Office 365. Select Office 365 Outlook. If you're using the free one, choose outlook.com. So I'll choose Office 365. Then let's choose a trigger, or let's choose an action. That's send an email. Then let's fill this information, those that you want to send those reminders to. So I'm done with this this email. So then you click on save. So let's click on test. Let's test the flow. So choose manually, then click on test, then click on finally click on run flow. So this is how we run, or this is how we automate. This is how you automate recurring email in Outlook. So I'll leave you so that you practice your own. Goodbye.